Alhamdulillah, my dad is not diabetic, but still on his birthday I was not gonna make him a cake with white flour that is rich in gluten and white sugar that is rich in toxins. So I made him this almond orange cake with a healthy sweetener which is anti-inflammatory instead of being inflammatory. The recipe is simple, quick and easy. Do pray for my dad's long healthy life while you watch it. First of all, I took 2 oranges and put them to boil for 20 minutes. Once the water was orange, I discarded the water and put the same oranges in new water. Now this removes the bitterness in the white part, in the white flesh of the oranges. You can do this in 2 steps, like boiling for 20 minutes then discarding the water and then again 20 minutes, or you can do 40 minutes straight. Both of them are fine. Secondly, I needed 250 grams of almond flour. Since I did not have almond flour, I basically soaked the almonds overnight. Then in the morning, I peeled them and then I roasted them on the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I ground them up into fine powder till I got like 250 grams of almond flour. By the time I was done making almond flour, the oranges had cooled down. Now I sliced them, removed the seeds because seeds are bitter, because we are using the whole oranges, okay, we will not discard anything, and believe me, the cake will turn out awesome. Just make sure that you choose big, fat, juicy, fragrant oranges for this cake. Once I sliced the cool down oranges, I put them in the blender and I added 7 eggs and some gluten free, aluminum free baking powder. And then I added the star ingredient, 1 cup of date sugar. Date sugar is basically a sweetener which is anti-inflammatory. It reduces the inflammation instead of causing inflammation like white sugar. There is one other sweetener that is rich in antioxidants. If you know what that is, write in the comment section below so I know that you watched my videos carefully. And if you don't know, you have to subscribe to our channel because I made a whole video on healthy sweeteners. Anyway, once you have added the date sugar, now we will add the almond flour that we made. You can also use store-bought almond flour, but I did not have, so I taught you how to make almond flour yourself. Anyway, add some vanilla essence and now give it a good mix, and now you can see the consistency of the batter. You just have to pour this batter in 8-inch bunted pan, or you can use regular pan also. Give it a good tap to even it out and then bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or till the skewer comes out clean. Trust me, when you will open the oven door, you will feel like you are in an orange garden. It smells so wonderful, you will want to eat it right away. And it is perfect as a tea cake like this, but since it was a birthday cake, I had to top it with some icing. So I mixed in a cup of cream, I mixed some stevia and a drop of vanilla, and then I got my icing ready and I just poured it. And I'm very sure you will do a better job of garnishing your cake than me. The thing is, cakes, biscuits and sweets, all these things bring happiness, but the thing is, they should not be harmful to our health, especially when you're making something for kids or for some elderly people, because date sugar is not good for diabetics or people wanting to lose weight or on keto diet, but it is a healthy sweetener. If you want to gain healthy weight for kids, for elderly, it is one of the best things you can do for them. And believe me, there is no other channel on the internet that shares not only tasty recipes but also healthy recipes that are good for your health. You will gain health after eating these sweets instead of losing health like eating regular sweets. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood and I beg you to please stop giving your kids and elderly harmful sweets like white sugar. Do let me know in the comment section below if you made this cake and how much you liked it. Till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.